What is chromatography? Is the separation technique used for the separation of a complex mixture such as plant extract, amino acid, carbohydrates, DNA and other compounds. Components of chromatography. 1. Stationary phase. This phase is always composed of a solid phase or a layer of a liquid adsorbed on the surface solid support. 2. Mobile phase. This phase is always composed of liquid or a gaseous component. 3. Separated molecules or analyte. This are the macromolecules such as amino acid, carbohydrates, lipid, plant extract and DNA. Types of chromatography. 1. Column chromatography. Column chromatography is a technique in which the substances to be separated are introduced onto the top of a column packed with an adsorbent, passed through the column at different rates that depend on the affinity of each substance for the adsorbent and for the solvent or solvent mixture, and are usually collected in solution as they pass from the column at different times. 2. Gas chromatography. This method is one of the most common in the chromatography world. Like all other forms of chromatography, it has a mobile phase and a stationary phase. In this case, the mobile phase is an inert gas, and the stationary phase is a column within the machine. This method of chromatography is used in the following industries. 1. Pharmaceuticals. 2. Medicine. 3. Agriculture. 4. Environmental. 5. Forensics. 6. Industrial. 7. Food and beverage. 8. Cosmetics and cleaning. High-performance liquid chromatography. This method is a favorite in many labs because of its efficiency using a liquid, or solvent, mobile phase that pushes the sample through the machine using a high-pressure pump. HPLC is used in environmental biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, industrial chemical research, beverage research. 4. Thin layer chromatography. With this method, lab technicians use a silica gel or alumina as its stationary phase and coat it onto a thin glass or plastic plate. The mobile phase is like high-performance liquid chromatography, in that it uses either a single solvent or a mixture of solvents. The most common industries that use this method include food chemistry, agriculture, mostly for pesticide analysis, toxicology, pharmaceuticals. 5. Paper chromatography. This is one of the least complex forms of chromatography, but it remains one of the most popular. The mobile phase is a solvent or mixture of solvents, and the stationary is highly absorbent specialized paper. This method is useful in the following industries and for the following uses as well: food coloring, reaction monitoring, plant pigments, scientific studies to identify organic and inorganic mixtures. Assignment. Write on the following about HPLC. A. Definition. B. Principle. C. Procedure.